ग्रेड वर्ड मीन्स अग्रेडेशन एंड डिग्रेडेशन. एंड एग्रेडेशन का मतलब होता है डिपोजिशन एंड डिग्रेडेशन मीन्स वेदरिंग एंड इरोजन. अंडरस्टूड इट? डिग्रेड मतलब समझते हैं हटाना, remove, reducing the height and all. So the regolith maintains a constant thickness over the slope and all weather material is transported by the mass movement and was, and the form of weathering slope is what? कैसा बनेगा हमारा? Concave and convex. And concave will be at the foot, at the piedmont. The curvature elements decreases as the slope continues to decline. Then curvature element keeps on, what is it? Decreases as the slopes continue to decline and the length of straight segment diminishes. यहाँ पे जो straight element था क्या हो गया? This straight element, rectilinear element diminishes. थोड़ा सा रहा in the initial stage. And then upper convexity experiences more output than input. तो वो आपको ही पता है, upper element will be always what? वहां पे input बहुत कम chances होगा. If there is an upliftment, there will be input. And then more output than input, whereas the lower concavity receives more input than output. तो थोड़ा सा input रहेगा and there will be also deposition and what? Erosion. Understood it? So upper पे क्या है? Yes, tell me. Weathering and erosion. And then lower one there is a what? Deposition and erosion. क्योंकि यहां से जो टूटेगा they will come on to this. Understood it? So therefore we have a concavity. So upper में more high amount of output and negligible input. But in the lower region there is an output is little more, but the input is little more, and at the same time it plays a role between with them. And then input means deposition, output means erosion. Sometimes output is more, but लेकिन आप लिख सकते हैं कि थोड़ा सा input more है and output ज़्यादा है. Lower part of the slope with the accumulation of transported regolith, lowering is less, and Davis, the original proponent of this theory, based this argument on visual assessment of slopes in the humid temperate areas, or that you can say like थोड़ा सा आपका rectilinear दिखाता है, ये pictures उतना ठीक नहीं है, and then it is started what becoming convex and then concave and then keep on declining. Understood it? So we have seen what? Slope decline. I said that what is happening in the slope decline? The Davis, according to the Davis, in the humid and then little cold climate, he has said that with the fluvial process there is an existence of, in the youth stage there is convex, little rectilinear and then concave. Understood? And in this stage what is happening? I said that lateral erosion is very less and vertical erosion is more, and in the top पे क्या हो रहा है? In the top what is happening? Weathering and erosion. Understood? And then deposition is what is at the down, concave region, but along with erosion. In the second stage, the interflow and water divide, interflow or water divide is decreasing, and the interflow or water divide is decreasing, and then width is also reducing. This way, the small rectilinear which has been also finished, and then what we have been able to see, large convex, there is a weathering and erosion, and then large concave where there is an, I said that, deposition and erosion. Understood? Further in the old stage where the lateral erosion become more important, then what happened? Lateral erosion, because of the weathering and erosion, completely reduced the what? Lateral erosion की वजह से क्या हुआ? Completely reduced the height, relative relief, and then width of the water divide, and it become which kind of flat plane or gentle concave? Mr. Davis. So which are that we have seen? कौन सा देखा हमने? Parallel retreat. Yes. Thereafter I said that slope replacement. Initial में free face was what is, and I said that parallel retreat, and at the cost of free face on steep slope, and I said that cliff, who is increasing? Rectilinear slope, scree or low angle slope, they are increasing from the base. Now कौन सा? अभी आऊँगा, बताऊँगा. उन्होंने यूथ बताया है, मैच्योर बताया है. ओके, everyone has some time period according to the what? Steeper, gentle and very gentle. This slope classification given by whom? Good. This slope classification has been given by whom? Good. In 1942. And पहले ही मैंने बताया upper convex, free face, rectilinear, and what I said that? Concave. It has been given by whom? Can you explain it? What is happening at the convex? Tell me. Mass movement. And which are the mass movement? Can you explain? Some of the names. Soil creep. Water gets saturated, solifluction. Then you can say flow. What are the flow? Earth flow. Very good. Debris flow, mud flow, and then fall. इतना एक्सप्लेन करोगे बहुत सारा समय आ जाएगा. Words you can have. Thereafter, what is happening at the free face? Weathering. And then free face depends upon resistance of the rock. Hard resistant rock and the less resistant rock. Hard resistant rock, it will exist, and if there is a not hard resistant rock, free face cannot exist. It will convert into rectilinear slope. Understood? Can you write? And what is the rectilinear slope? Debris slope. Understood? And thereafter the rectilinear slope, there is a what? Sit wash region at the foot of the mountain, that is known as concave slope. Understood? Clear? So we have been able to see, and this way you can be able to explain the wood. I said classification of soil. Sorry, slope. Wood classification of slope. थोड़ा सा एक वर्ड यहाँ हम रखेंगे आप. What is the meaning of convex? Afasti Jinde. कभी सुना है आपने? Pink cycle of erosion. ये कैसा है? This is in a kind of what? Convex. Yes. ऐसे भी आपको दिखेगा तो कन्वेक्स ज्यादा दिखता है इनिशियल पीरियड में, कनकेव बाद में ज्यादा हो जाता है. यस और ना? सो इनिशियल में क्या होगा? आफस्ती जिंडे, जो आप लोग पढ़ेंगे पिंक में, नाम बोलेंगे मेरे साथ. आफस्ती जिंदे एटविक लोंग. क्या बोलते हैं वो? आफत ले आया. आफस्ती जिंडे. When the river is fast moving in the initial afasti jinde, then glitch forming etuvic loam. What are the name I said that? Glitch forming etuvic loam. And then last one I say abasti jinde etuvic loam. What are the name I said that? Afat Greek Basti. Afat Greek. तो यहाँ पे कैसे ही देखेंगे, आई सेड दैट आफस्ती जिंडे एंड वन आई सेड दैट आबस्ती जिंडे. एंड आबस्ती जिंडे किसको कहेंगे हम? कॉनकेव. तो पहले क्या बनेगा? ज्यादा आफस्ती जिंडे, और लास्ट स्टेज में क्या आएगा? कॉनकेव इज मोर आबस्ती जिंडे. ये मैं नहीं कह रहा हूं, पिंक कह रहा है. एंड देन आई सेड दैट स्ट्रेट और रेक्टिलिनियर, इट मीन्स glitch forming. Who is saying? Yes, who is saying? Glitch forming, a uniform development, जिसको आप कहेंगे रेक्टिलिनियर राउंड. और ये क्या देखा जाता है? इसको बोलते हैं कन्वेक्स कॉनकेव एंड ऑल. कन्वेक्स कॉनकेव ऐसा दिख रहा है, थोड़ा सा रेक्टिलिनियर. और ये तो आप बोलोगे कॉम्प्लेक्स स्लोप, पॉलीसाइक्लिक. तो एक आइडिया मैंने दिया. कुछ वर्ड्स हैं और ये नोट्स आपको मिलेगा. अगेन आई टोल्ड यू दिस नोट्स विल बी एबल टू गेट. There are the two types of slopes. There are the two types of slopes. Generally, if I say that in the study of topography we have never given the importance to the slope. Understood? but slowly and slowly we started studying topography in the form of slope. Perhaps you remember this word. When did I say this word? Factors controlling the landform development. Understood? I said that पहले हम लोग किस फॉर्म में पढ़ते थे? We have seen that हमने वहां पर एक लाइन बोला था, डेविस के लाइन मैंने बोला था. Landform is the function of structure, process and stage. And structure में perhaps you remember I have said that tectonic, physical, chemical. In the tectonic I have said, like I said that what is there? Yes, fault, fold, fissure, crack, joints, rift and then bedding plane. Understood? Thereafter I said that in the physical I have said that hardness, density, permeability, porosity, solubility, texture. And in the chemical I have said that lithology. That is, I said that time I taught you, yes, igneous metamorphized rock, igneous rock, then sedimentary metamorphized rock and then sedimentary rock. Yes. Thereafter we have seen arrangement of rock, faulted, folded, domed, monoclinal and horizontal. That is okay. And then we have seen composition of rocks and minerals. याद है आपको? ये बहुत सारा चीज बताया था. मैंने बोला था when I'll come in the Davis, there will be there the Davis and the line I have given, landscape or landform development is the function of structure, process and time. Yes. And then उस समय मैंने explain भी किया था what is the meaning of time. There is a time doesn't matter. All the geomorphic forces, endogenetic forces take large time to develop in a what? Any landform. A small time तो होता ही नहीं है. Endogenetic forces. I have discussed with you stages. I have discussed with you SC, आपको याद हो? Structure, climate. SC, ST top पर हैं and they have gravity. Structure, climate, stage, time. And then I said that topography, and topography में especially I said that topography means slope. And then I said that there is I said gravity, and then gravity के समय और ये सारी चीजें mass movement, it is also what it is gravity, that it is a mass movement मैंने पढ़ाया था. That is I said everything is happening under the pull of, and that time I have given the definition of landslide. Then I said that BSP they become biota, space and P for process, endogenetic forces and exogenetic forces. इन सबको बताने के सबसे पहले मैंने बोला था कि I said that any landform on the earth's surface is existing on the basis of it is an interaction between endogenetic force and exogenetic force. Exogenetic force modify करता है, it gives third order landform. Yes. लेकिन इसके बाद मैंने बोला था it is an interaction between in the form of slopes. Yes or not? The new modern time definition, old view and then modern view, perhaps you remember. And जब ऐसे लिखोगे then you will get the marks, and I have given the notes to you also. So I said that यहाँ पर हम लोग क्या करेंगे, we'll discuss that slopes, and I said that there is a primary slopes and which slope? आप जो मैं समझा रहा हूँ आपका डेविस वगैरह भी कवर होते जा रहा है. किंग I have finished, clear. आप धीरे धीरे केवल नाम को I have said in the before starting the today's class I have said that we have to remember a lot and a lot. आप जितना याद रखेंगे आज के क्लास को उतना ही आपका the words बार बार रिवाइज करेंगे, then you can be better. So I said that slopes can be genetically categorized into primary slopes and then secondary slopes. There are the two types of slopes. This classify the slopes in general. Classify the slope given by wood. That is different. Understood? Classify the slopes given by wood is I said that convex, free face, rectilinear and concave. But classify the slopes in general, I said that it is in a primary slopes and then I said secondary. Any factor or any landform which tend to increase its height, it is known as debris slope. It is known as what? जहां पर भी आपको दिखे हाइट इज इंक्रीजिंग, दैट इज नोन एज प्राइमरी स्लोप. सॉरी, आई सेड दैट प्राइमरी स्लोप. एंड वेयर एवर द हाइट इज डिक्रीजिंग, दैट इज नोन एज व्हाट? सेकेंडरी स्लोप. Himalaya, Aravalli. Getting my point? Yes. And I said that simple, I said that lava deposits, lava ke through deposits, it will be what? Alluvial deposits, floodplain, primary. Kyunki it is increasing the height, na? Yes or not? And then alluvial deposited delta, primary. Wherever the anything which causes the thing to come up instead of going down, it is known as, I said that, primary slopes. Understood? Anything where it is going up, when the glacier moves, glacier की height कितनी बताएं मैं? 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer it can be. When it is moving, they will break the large number of, what is it now? I said that particles, and that is known as what? Yes? Till what it is known as? और कहीं वही डिपॉजिट हो जाता है, दैट इज नॉन एज मोरैन, जो आप पढ़ेंगे टुडे और टुमारो. द टू लैंड फॉर्म्स इन द इवनिंग. आई सेड दैट हमने क्या बोला? दैट इज नॉन एज एन मोरैन, लैटरल मोरैन, डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ मेडियल मोरैन. मोरैन इज एन अ काइंड टिल डिपॉजिट्स एंड इट गिव्स एन अ काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर, इट इज नॉन एज एन मोरैन. तो मोरैन इज एन अपलिफ्टेड वन. मोरैन विल बी व्हाट? प्राइमरी स्लोप्स. Sand dune. Dune matlab, yes, when the wind moves and they deposit the sand like this, height has been increased. It is known as what? Primary slopes.